Insurance is like food? If you want to know, watch till the end. If you are new to this channel, I'm Argel Tiburcio. I'm a book author, a professional financial advisor, and also a financial literacy advocate. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, and of course, don't forget to also click the notification bell. Yes, insurance is like food. Variety and right quantity are the keys. Remember the go, glow, and grow foods that we had when we were in grade school, perhaps during our science or health subjects? So let's have a quick recap. Go foods are the foods that give us the energy and the foundation to live actively. So the keyword here is give us the energy and foundation. So the go foods are those whole grains and also the bread, rice, for example, that we need for the energy. Glow foods help protect us from diseases by helping our bodies work well and fight off illnesses. Glow foods include the fruits and vegetables, correct? And then finally, the grow foods, the proteins. Grow foods work in the body to help us grow and keep us strong and healthy. So how does insurance relate to food? How does it relate to go, glow, and grow foods? Let's see. In reality, go foods correspond to the protection insurance, the life insurance per se. So this includes term insurance. We want this as a wide foundation for our life protection because it covers a high coverage amount and it has low premiums relative to the amount of coverage. So in terms of the benefits, it's just plain vanilla. When you die, the company pays, in this case, Film Life. And the downside to having low premiums, of course, is having no living benefits. Meaning there are no savings involved, there are no sicknesses or hospitalization benefits that we can have. It's just plain vanilla insurance. It's called term insurance. So the keyword, high coverage, low premiums. So if that corresponds to the go foods, what corresponds to glow foods? Glow foods are our health fund or the health insurance of our insurance diet. So what are the advantages of having a mix of glow foods or health fund in your insurance basket or insurance portfolio? It provides plenty of living benefits as opposed to protection, which mainly focuses on death. Glow foods or the health fund has the crucial benefit of having, for example, a critical illness benefit, wherein when an insured gets diagnosed with a covered critical illness, a lump sum cash benefit will be given in order for that person to focus on recovery and not on the bills to pay in the hospital. Another type of benefit or of living benefit from the glow foods or the health insurances is the hospitalization benefit. So every day in confinement, depending on the coverage that you opted to have, you can have a fixed amount of allowance that you can get each day in confinement. For example, you chose to get 5,000 pesos per day. Every day in confinement, for example, you got confined for 7 days. You will have 7 days times 5,000 pesos. So you can reimburse 35,000 for that hospitalization. Think about it as something that will replace the income that you lost during the time that you were at the hospital. I know that you may have sick leaves, but imagine having another stream of income even though you're not working. And it's very relevant, of course, because of the recent health crisis, the health pandemic that we encountered. It provides added peace of mind because in reality, getting sick is more expensive in the long run than having to die. It's a harsh reality. And the future benefits for this type of plan, the health plans, are certain. It's stipulated on your policy contract how much will you get when something happens. However, of course, the downside or the cons of having this type of plan compared to the Go Food or the Protection Fund is it's more expensive because it has more benefits for you in case these health setbacks or health concerns happen. So we're done with the Go Foods Protection Fund, the Glow Foods, the Health Fund. Now let's go to the third, which is our Grow Foods or the Growth Funds. An advantage of having this Grow Foods is, by the name it implies that it grows our assets, our savings. It has plenty of living benefits. We have the option to attach health, or we have the option to attach the Glow Foods, the Health Fund, in this type of growth fund. And it's very attractive in terms of the future potential returns that it can give us. Plus, if you start early, you can have that jump start that you have already set aside something for your future goals that you have started right away, and you can build on it. As for example, your profit grows or your income grows, you can build towards adding more into this growth fund. The downside, of course, it has higher premium. Why? Because the savings that we put into this growth fund is proportional or aligned with the goals that you want to hit. So what are these goals that we want to hit for the growth fund? Number one, our retirement fund, our retirement goal, and second is our education fund goal for our children. This long-term goal for savings should be matched by our present savings so that we can build it up as a snowball. So as we go along with our professional career or business career, we keep on adding to make the snowball bigger and have that snowball effect of growing your fund so that you can have lots of options in terms of retirement. You can have the option to retire early. You can have the option to live the retirement life that you want. Or in the case of the education fund, your children will have the option to maybe study abroad or choose the best university, the private universities that are available locally. So that's our Go, Glow, and Grow counterparts in insurance. In reality, we want a balanced, right? A balanced diet. We want each of these foods to be part of our diet. So in our insurance portfolio, we want a protection fund, we want a health fund, and of course, we want something that grows over time as we approach our long-term financial goals. Now, the next question is, Argel, what kinds of plan are available for these kinds of insurance? So I'm glad you asked. So in Film Life, we have actual products that you can choose from in order to address each of these funds. So first, let's start off with the protection fund. We have a Guardian term insurance. Again, this is low premium but high coverage, and it's flexible. You can opt for 1 year yearly renewable, 5 year yearly renewable, or a pay up to age 65 kind of term insurance. If you want me to customize your very own Guardian term insurance plan, don't forget to go to my Facebook page, send me a message there so that we can chat and I can customize the best Guardian plan for you and your needs. For the health, we have also specific products that you can opt to get, and these products are whole life. So if we have a term insurance, we have whole life, which covers us until age 100, and in Film Life you have AIA Critical Protect 100. In a nutshell, it protects you from 100 critical illnesses until age 100. An advantage of it is most HMOs only cover you around age 60 or 65. So if you want extended coverage in the most vulnerable ages, you can go for AIA Critical Protect 100. AIA All-in-One is a whole life plan that is more comprehensive. It has accident insurance, it has life insurance, and it also has a critical illness component, but not as comprehensive as the 100 illnesses that we cover in AIA Critical Protect. We have the major illnesses that Filipinos undergo, or most Filipinos get diagnosed with. The top 3 illnesses are there, so don't worry, it's still comprehensive in terms of health. Cancer is there, heart attack, and stroke. So it's covered, plus 7 other, a total of 10 critical illnesses covered. And again, you will be covered until age 100 by its life insurance component. And as you can see in the second point, we have Active Health Invest Plus and AIA Health Cover. These two plans have investment components. If you remember that I mentioned in the previous slide, in under the health, the benefits are guaranteed. The difference with Active Health Invest and AIA Health Cover is the living benefits of the savings components. The difference between AI Critical and AIA All-in-One, and these 2 points with asterisk. These last 2 points are VULs. They have investment components that are tied to the money market, which includes maybe stocks, bonds, or both. That's the not guaranteed part of these 2 plans. So if you want to get your own customized plan, don't forget to go to my Facebook page, facebook.com/Argel Tiburcio, and then click send message. You can chat there and I can help you customize your very own AIA Critical Protect 100, AIA All-in-One, Active Health Invest Plus, or AIA Health Cover plans for you. Finally, let's go to our growth or our grow foods. This addresses retirement or education fund for college. We have Future Scholar for those who are not too keen about putting all the investment or putting all the savings into a variable mutual fund. It's a hybrid plan that contains guaranteed benefit for education plus a variable benefit that can potentially outgrow the guaranteed benefit. If you want a specific plan for you and your children, don't forget to message me in my Facebook page. We have also Future Protect and MoneyWorks. Future Protect is more on the retirement aspect of the growth fund, wherein you can save as short as 7 years or as long as 20 years. And we also have MoneyWorks that can tap into the global funds that AIA Film Life has. So the MoneyWorks and the Future Protect can both be used for retirement, and for MoneyWorks can also be used if we plan it accordingly for your children's education. Now, I have to note that we go back to the health fund. You can also get your children critical illness protection. Let's say the breadwinners, you who's watching this video, already have adequate insurance. You already have a balanced insurance diet, so to speak. You can now protect also your children because AIA Critical Protect 100 can cover minors with the same benefits. 100 critical illnesses until age 100. And the best part is it's cheapest when they are young. If you want to get a quote, to go to my Facebook page, send me a message there. So that covers everything. Go Foods for protection, Glow Foods for health, Grow Foods for the growth fund, and I also enumerated some plans that you might be interested to have or to get for you and your family. Don't hesitate to message me today. Go to my Facebook page, send me a message so you can get a personalized insurance plan for you. And guess what? You can now get insurance online. If you're in the Philippines, anywhere in the Philippines that have a stable internet connection, we can talk it over online and then you can get it online as well. Plus, you can also access the payment channels online, so you just have to stay at home and be insured and have peace of mind. If you're watching up to this point, thank you so much. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and click the notification bell for future videos and updates. If you have family members who want to know more about insurance, send this video to them. Share this video on Facebook, on Messenger, on your wall, so we can spread the awareness and the crucial benefits of insurance, which is probably one of the most misunderstood products here in the Philippines. So I'm here to spread awareness and help you bridge the gap of your protection and health fund needs. Again, I'm Argel Tiburcio, a book author, professional financial advisor, and financial literacy advocate. See you again on my next videos.